In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export frames as a PDF in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Figma file. Once you're in, look for the frame you'd like to export as a PDF. This is a simple step. Just find that specific frame, and you're almost there. Figma frames are essentially our artboards and hold all the content you'd like to include in your PDF. When you've selected the frame you want, we can move on to the next step. Now, on the right sidebar of your Figma interface, you'll find an option labeled Export. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where we'll configure how we want to export our frame. Make sure you can clearly see the export settings, as this will guide us through the rest of the process. The next step is crucial. You'll need to change the format to PDF. In the export settings, you'll spot a drop-down menu where you can select different file formats. Just click on it and choose PDF from the list. It's usually third or fourth on the list, so it shouldn't take long to find. Once you've selected PDF, we're almost ready to finalize the export. Next, you'll want to adjust the quality of the PDF you're exporting. You'll see an option to select different quality settings. For this video, let's choose high quality. This is particularly important if your document contains images or intricate designs that need to maintain their clarity. Higher quality ensures that your exported PDF looks as crisp as it does in Figma. Now that you've set the format and quality, it's time to get the export done. You'll see a final button that usually says Export, followed by the file name. Click on this button to start the download process. Figma will create the PDF and prepare it for you to save to your computer. And voila! Once you've clicked on the Export button, your file will begin downloading. You'll find it in your computer's default download location, unless you've specified a different folder. Congratulations! You've successfully exported a frame as a PDF from Figma. Let's quickly recap what we've done. 1. Open your Figma file and select the frame you want to export. 2. Click on the Export option in the right sidebar. 3. Change the file type to PDF in the export settings. 4. Choose your desired quality setting, which we opted for high. 5. Click the Export button and watch as your PDF downloads. This process is seamless and makes it easy to share your projects in a widely used format. Whether you're creating presentations, design mockups, or reports, exporting as a PDF can be incredibly useful. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Figma.